when planting the tropical trees, and here's a good example right here. This is a Christmas slow clock. What you want to do when you dig the hole is you want to make the hole twice the width of the bucket. So, I don't know, just put it here and mark the circle, and then dig it 1/3 deeper, and that's all you have to do. So when backfilling the tropical trees, what you do is 1/3 coconut coir, 1 scoop of native soil, 1 scoop of quarter- lava rock, and then 1 scoop of composted mulch, and put that all into a wheelbarrow and mix it up, and then that's what you use to backfill the tree.
The plants are finally getting their homes dug. We brought them all back here to kind of scope out the backyard, and got the irrigation in today. It's been a big day. Caliche soil and clay is really, really hard to dig, so it's taken a lot longer than we expected. Got to dig nice deep holes so that the tropical trees don't have problems with drainage. As you can see, the rest of the yard has been graded, and we're just starting to look at where all the trees go. Super exciting. This dirt is so hard lifting up the tractor. This is why this project has taken longer than expected today. No wonder our poor banana plant died. Had that to contend with. 0 drainage. We're doing it right this time.
When planting the citrus trees, it's a lot easier. Same deal, make it twice the width, twice the width of the bucket that it came in, the pot, and dig it as deep as the pot. And the reason being is because we don't want it to sink into the soil. But they love the native soil. It's really easy as long as your soil drains a little bit. Just put the native soil right back into the hole.